You guys have a test on Friday, so this video is going to be a review.
This video was filmed before our snow week, so your test is still on Thursday.
Over the Earth, Moon, and Sun characteristics. Make sure to study with this video and anything that has been posted to your Google Classroom under the Space tab.
The moon is a natural satellite. That just means that it's the only thing orbiting the Earth that humans did not make. It orbits the Earth one time every 27 to 29 days, which is about a month. It has its own gravity, which causes the ocean tides to move in and out. And it also goes through 8 different phases or shapes of the moon. If you look at the picture down below, you can see all phases of the moon. We really only need to know 5 big ones: third quarter or just half moon, a crescent moon, new moon, a gibbous moon, and a full moon. The shape we see depends on where the moon is around the Earth. So pretend that this dotted line is the Earth. Depending on where the moon is, you are going to see different shapes or different phases of the moon. The moon does not make its own light. It only reflects light from the sun. The moon also rotates and revolves at the same speed, so we only see one side of the moon from Earth. The only way we know what the other side of the moon looks like is by astronauts who have gone into space and taken pictures.
Next, we're going to talk about the Earth, the planet that we live on. Earth is the third planet from the Sun. Go back and look at your notes for planets in the solar system, and you can see where the Earth lies in our solar system in comparison with all the other planets and all the other things in our solar system. Earth is part of the 4 terrestrial planets. It's the third terrestrial planet. This just means that it's part of the 4 planets closest to the Sun, before the asteroid belt. The terrestrial planets include Mercury, Venus, Mars, and Earth. Earth is the only terrestrial planet with liquid water. Others might have ice. Earth is the only one with liquid water. It is also the only planet with living things on it. Earth rotates or spins on its axis every 24 hours, which causes day and night, and you can see this in our picture. We have the Earth's axis, which is just an imaginary line. It shows the Earth rotating or spinning around itself. And you can also see the equator, that imaginary line that divides the Earth, running from west to east or east to west. It takes 365.25 days to revolve around the Earth, which causes seasons.
I just said that the Earth revolves around the Earth. We all know the Earth revolves around the sun.
If you look at our picture down below, you'll see at different points where the Earth would be, and you can see which seasons it will be in. Last thing we're going to talk about is the sun. The sun is a star. In fact, it is the only star in our galaxy. It is made of mostly hydrogen and helium, 2 gases. The sun's gravity is strong enough to hold all of the planets in orbit. So from Mercury all the way out to Neptune, we are held in orbit by the sun's gravity. The sun has no solid surface. If you look at our picture to the right, you will see sort of the flames and the prominence cresting up. It does rotate on its axis. Everything in our solar system rotates on an axis. And the sun is so large that it really takes up about 99.8, give or take some points, percent of our solar system. Notice this picture, there is something wrong. If you can tell me what's wrong, I don't know, maybe I'll get some bonus points on this Ed puzzle.